Hi, my dear learners. In this video, we are going to see about stakeholders. Who is a stakeholder? An individual, a group of people, a department, or an organization who are directly or indirectly, positively or negatively impacted by the project or who can impact the project. Got it? So I'll repeat. Who is a stakeholder? A person, an individual, a group of people, a department, or an organization who are directly or indirectly, positively or negatively, who can impact the project or who can be impacted by the project. So let us see the same with an example. Let's assume a metro is being constructed in your area. So this metro is a project. I hope you will agree to it, right? So in this project, who is a stakeholder? Now, the government is initiating this project. So the government is a stakeholder. So if there is a central government and the state government, then both the government bodies. Or if there is only one government body, then the respective government. And the various departments within the government, like the transport department, the railways, the roadways, electricity board. So these various departments are also will be the stakeholders, and the officials working in those departments are also stakeholders, right? So now the government is not going to construct the metro by themselves, right? So they are going to give the construction work to the contract to a construction company. So this construction company is also a stakeholder where the people working in that organization, right from the CEO, the directors, and the project managers, the designing person, and what else? The laborers, till the labor level, whomever, like when I say labor, whomever is going to carry the mud, sand, bricks, all those people are also stakeholders, because all these people are going to be impacted by the project and who is going to impact the project. Now, this construction organization is not going to do all the work by themselves. There may be some subcontractors. Then this subcontracting organization are also stakeholders, again right from the top level to the lowest level, as the laborers also are stakeholders, because everyone are going to be impacted by the project or who can impact the project. Now, these people would be buying some materials, right? Like cement, bricks, then what else? The track, right? All these materials has to be bought. Then the vendors who are going to supply these materials are also stakeholders. Again, the organization, the people working in that organization, right from the CEO, the directors, till the labor level, everyone are going to be the stakeholders. Now, there is a supply chain organization, right, who is going to transport the materials from the one location to the warehouse to the construction location. So this supply chain organization are also stakeholders who, like again, right from the top level to the truck drivers, everyone will be the stakeholders. Now, coming to the public, the end users who are going to use the metro service are stakeholders. And there are people who had to forego their land. Then the people who forego their land are also stakeholders. The public or the people who are living nearby, who would be interrupted by this construction work or impacted by this construction work, they are also stakeholders. There are passerbys who will be crossing that area. Maybe they have to go to the office, college, or school. Then instead of using this area, because of this construction, they may have to go roundabout. So they are also impacted. Then the passerbys are also stakeholders, right? And now, other than this, there is another stakeholder. For example, if there is a taxi there operating, right? Then the taxi driver, from the taxi driver to the owner who's owning this taxi organization, they are also stakeholders because they will be impacted by this project. Right? I hope this example helped you to have a broader understanding or perspective of who all can be the stakeholders. So I repeat, an individual, a group of people, a department, or an organization who are directly or indirectly, positively or negatively, who can impact the project or who can be impacted by the project are stakeholders. Got it? Now you would have had a good understanding of who can be the stakeholders in this video. So in the upcoming videos, we will know more about how to handle the stakeholders, how we are going to categorize the stakeholders, and how are we going to manage the stakeholders. Please subscribe for our channel and look out for more videos and for more learnings. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye.